What is up, guys? So, I got some Beats by Dre wireless Tour 3s. It's an unboxing. So let's talk. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's in here. I've been waiting for these for about a month. Now, should be fairly obvious by the box quality and by the fact that Monster never made these. And when they made the Tours, they were part of Apple, or they were part of Monster, not Apple. So, it should be fairly obvious these guys are a clone headset, but I'm gonna see what you get here. I got them in navy blue, because blue is my favorite color. But obviously something that's a Beats product would never come like this. The best part about Beats products is their packaging, because it's a whole lot of frills packaging wise, but I'm gonna throw these in the charger here. Kind of see how long they take to charge up. Obviously the case didn't come with much of a charge, but that's expected. It is micro USB, got some different ear tips, and an orange cable, which would never happen. I just find it kind of funny, these clones. And the stuff that clones do. It's almost like they clone stuff and they want you to recognize that it's a clone, but they also want to use the name of the company they're cloning. I mean, that's exactly what they're doing, but I think I legit have these other headphones, these same headphones, in a different brand. A lot of what these companies do is they buy up like generic made headphones. So like it might be, these I believe are the X8s, which is not a real thing, As a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and get the other ones that I think are the same, and we'll test it right now. And I can almost guarantee you that they're going to be the same, or really close to it. Let's go ahead and get the RCA ones that I have. These. And we're going to see. I can almost guarantee you that these will be the same. No. Okay, I was wrong. But these are all pretty good. But it's not about getting like a real product. This is a clone from Wish, and I think it cost me about $30 or whatever. Obviously you want something, you go to the gym, which is what I got these for. On my trips to the gym, when it's not late and when I'm not the only one in the gym. Like tomorrow when I go to the gym, it's going to be around 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. I'm going to bring my good headphones because I'll be the only one there. But during the day when it's busy and there's a chance they could get stolen or lost or something, you bring a beater pair like this. And it's a matter of, what kind of quality do you get for a cheap price. It's not about, let's fool people into thinking we got a real product, because it should be fairly obvious at this point that like Apple's not going to box something up like this. This is definitely a clone, and these are not meant to fool anyone. They're just kind of meant to offer you something that looks sort of like the brand name, but like not really. So it looks enough of it to not, like, you might think, see, oh, Beats, but like you see the overall thing, and you see the product, and you feel the quality of it, and you're like, that's not Beats, but they're pretty cool for what they are. And I think that's kind of the point. This is off Wish. I think I paid like $30 for these or something. We'll see how they work out. Charge them up, see how they work out. Later.